AI is taking over the world right now, and here are some great ways the average person can use them to their advantage. So, where should we begin? Here we go. We're about to see how fast. Look how fast this is. So what I typed in is how many people in the world aren't using AI. Earlier I typed this question and it said 50% of people aren't using AI, and it was like 20% don't even know what it is. So let's see. 66% of people aren't using it regularly, which is crazy because especially for work, this shit is an advantage. Like self-work, businesses and all that. If you have a business, you need to take advantage of this. For my 9 to 5 workers, Chat GPT 5 can help you out with something simple as a grocery list. Say, let's see. So, can you build me a grocery list? And to use this to your advantage even more, say like, I don't like mushrooms. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe you're a weirdo that doesn't like peas. A lot of people don't like peas. I like them. Um, what else? What's one more thing? Something people don't like. I'm not picky, so this is hard for me. You could. Okay, hold on. Let me copy this. Right. Copy. Backspace. Right. What are the most popular things picky people? Oh my god, I can't type right now. Don't eat. Something simple as this too. Great question. This is a shitty use. I'm just using it as an example that I can literally answer anything you want. But okay, cool. So now let's put this back in there, and let's choose the best one. I like blue cheese. Love it. Liver. Yeah, liver's good. Can you also give me dishes that I can make with the items I buy? Boom. Look at this shit. Look. It's still going. Look. 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 Okay, let's read it, right? Proteins, bam, 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 bam. Of course. Fire, canned tuna. Yup. Yup. These are all really good, like, healthy options too. Chicken stir fry, spaghetti, boring. Salmon, breakfast. Say I'm gluten free, for example. So let's say I'm also gluten free. And here we go, gluten free. The same shit. Okay. Can you give me different meal ideas? Okay. Breakfast. Look. Okay. Boom. This is so much better. You just gotta ask the right question and build your personality with it, and it gets so much better. Like, these are all good options. You can even keep asking it, like, specifically if you like certain ingredients more. Like, I also love cilantro. What is the best cilantro meal I can make with these items from the grocery store? So just keep asking it like in-depth questions. Boom. And it's gluten free still. Look, it remembers. So just give it your personality because it remembers. Boom. Cilantro lime rice bowl. Chicken shrimp. Look. I wouldn't do peppers. Fuck peppers. So that would be another thing. I don't like cooked peppers. I can eat. I'm not gonna continue that because it came out wrong. All right. Next topic. You can use this for a schedule. Like I use this for a schedule, and it was amazing. It's something that would take me like so in depth, like 20 or not 20, 2 weeks to make. It took me like 2 hours, 2 hours. I had loads and loads of it built off my personality and what I like and what to do, or like tips on how to achieve what I want to do. It's really in depth and good. I'm not gonna do that with this because that takes too long. But like how we just built this grocery list, it's the same idea. If you're a high schooler or in college, you can use this with resumes, portfolio classes, speech classes, which I should have took. What the fuck? And it's really good for like argumentative points in history and all that. So this shit is so. And let's do this one. I wanted to try. I haven't tried this yet, but I thought about this and I want to see if it actually works. So I like Denzel Curry. Or let's do the genres. Let's not get in depth. Let's do genres. I like rock. Let's be very vague. Let's see if we can get good shit vague. Make a new playlist. Okay, here we go. I use Apple Music and I want you to help me make a new playlist. I like rock and would like a couple songs. Okay, there we go. I use Apple Music and I want you to help me make a new playlist. I like rock and would like a couple songs by the Plot Unit as well. Boom. Now let's see if you can get this done. Look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. 17 songs, right? Now I can say, can you give me 10 the best old dirty bastard songs? Boom. Look at this. Oh, Brooklyn Zoo is so good. Like this does it all for you. There's so much things you can ask AI that I don't even know. I've run out of things to ask it. That's how crazy it is. You can use this for anything. Literally anything. So yeah, take advantage of this right now. So many people are using this to make money. You can even ask AI like, hey, what are some things I can do to make money using you, for example. Boom. Something so simple, and it'll actually give you good advice. So good luck.